So, what's the plan of today?
Today is the plan to fix this one again and make it be fast again. Yeah. Come with me. We got a lot of parts to change. The torch pad. We got the fuel filter, we got the air filter, that's an oil filter. We got the LCD, the voltage resistor to change because it's leaking oil inside of it and it's not working anymore. After that we have some other parts to install and to maintain. Now to remove the side panel, okay? It has a lot of screws in it, inside, down, everywhere. Subscribe to my channel. I need money for power tools. Susan? Don't forget to take it off on the other side also. So now we're going to change oil. What you need to look at is you need to remove your oil fill-in hole to let the air come down. And then you need to remove your oil plug, which is down there, and your oil filter. For the filter, I would recommend to have some kit like this. It's cheaper when you buy more, you know. The fan, the stick underneath it. Make sure you loosen both of them. Now I have loosened the screw. And make sure you take it fast away. You need to get a little bit of pressure, and if it comes out, you need to take it out. Dumbass. So, always clean your plug, because sometimes it has here a magnet and it can catch all your little spoon in your engine. So, yeah, your little metal things. Every time make sure it's clean and always use a new sealing for it. O-ring. Yeah. Every time look to lube your old sealing from your filter. So it stands always fresh and clean. And young. Like, yeah. So you don't get shredded. Clean everything around before you put all back together. You can put it back together. What this here is, I actually don't know. This was the previous owner made this. I think he don't know how to work with motorcycles. But I actually don't know either, so yeah. So now you need to fill it up with 10W40. Put more. Brate, put more. More. So you need 3.4 liter to fill your Ducati full with engine oil. So after you put all the 3.2 liters oil in it, you need to make your bike stand normal without a stand. And you can watch here, it's the scale of maximum and minimum. And here you see how much oil you got in the engine in it. So you can crank it now up, let it run for a second, and then look at it again. So you need to fill the filter. It goes a lot of into the filter, and then it's going here a little bit down. So you know now after that can fill a little bit more in it and make it to the maximum. Yeah.
Come on.
Sound check. Sound check. After the aggressive sound check, you need to look again at your oil. You see? It's now at the minimum maybe a little bit below. So now you need to fill it up again and look again at it. So thank you for watching. This was it with how to change your oil. Don't forget to put everything back together. It's not gonna be good when something isn't there. You see on the oil level, it's all good. And you can now be happy with your new oil in your engine and rev it to the rev limiter. Bye.